Did you know there was a man who lost everything in a single day but never stopped trusting God? Job was the richest man around. He had 7 sons, 3 daughters, and thousands of animals. He loved God with his whole heart, but Satan told God that Job only served him because life was easy. Then everything changed. In one terrible day, raiders stole his livestock, fire destroyed his sheep, a windstorm killed all 10 of his children. Job's body became covered in painful sores. His own wife told him to give up on God. His friends said he must have done something wrong, but Job knew he hadn't. He was confused and hurt, but he never cursed God. He kept believing even when nothing made sense. Finally, God spoke to Job from a whirlwind. He reminded Job that his ways are higher than our ways. Job realized that trusting God doesn't mean understanding everything. God gave Job back double what he lost. Sometimes our greatest breakthroughs come after our darkest moments. Follow for daily faith motivations.